welcome back to another LeetCode problem solving video. Today we are solving another very simple and useful string problem using C++. The problem name is to lowercase. In this video we are given a string called s and our task is to convert all uppercase English letters into lowercase letters. Any character that is already lowercase or is not an English letter should remain unchanged. Finally, we return the modified string. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose s equals to hello. Here h is uppercase. The remaining characters e, l, l, o are already lowercase. After conversion, the string becomes hello. So the answer will be hello. Now let's take another example. Suppose s equals to lovely, lovely. Every character is uppercase. After converting each letter to lowercase, the result becomes lovely to all in smaller case. Now before coding, let's think about the logic. The simple approach is traverse the string character by character. For every character, check whether it is an uppercase English letter. If it is uppercase, convert it to lowercase, otherwise leave it unchanged. At the end, return the modified string. Now let's start coding step by step. First, we traverse the string using loop. So let's traverse it for int I equals to 0 to I less than s dot size. Sorry, it will be length to I plus plus. This loop visits every character of the string. Now for each character we need to check whether it is uppercase. Now we have to check it is uppercase or not. So let's check it. So if s of I greater than equals to a and then so phi less than equals to z. Let's understand this condition. In ASCII, uppercase letters ranges from A to Z. So if a character lies within this range, it is an uppercase letter. For example, A, B, C, D all satisfy this condition. Means all capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. So all satisfy this condition. Now once we know the character is uppercase, we convert it to the lowercase. So let's convert it. So s of I equals to s of I. The function toLower is a built-in C++ function. It converts an uppercase letter into its lowercase equivalent. For example, toLower capital A will be equals to small a. toLower uppercase of h will be lowercase of h. toLower uppercase of z will be lower of z. Then we store the converted character back into the string. After the loop finishes, every uppercase letter has been converted. Finally, we return the updated string. Okay. Now let's understand this properly with a dry run. Suppose a equals to h, which will be a equals to hello, in which h will be uppercase. Initially, capital H, small e, small l, o, small o. Now starts traversing. Index of 0, which is character, equals to uppercase of h. Capital H lies between capital A and capital Z. I will say capital instead of uppercase. Okay. So please understand it in that way. So toLower of capital H returns small h. String becomes hello in lowercase. Now move to index 1. Character equals to e, small e. It is already lowercase. Condition fails. No changes. Similarly, l, and o. Here we can see in the example 1 also are already lowercase. So they remains unchanged. Finally, hello is written. Now let's take another example. Let's take an example 3. Suppose s equals to lovely, which are all capital letters. Index 0, L to small l, index 1, capital O to small o, index 2, capital V to small v, index 3, capital E to small e, index 4 capital L to small a, and index 5 capital Y to small y. Finally string becomes LOVELY all in lowercase, and that's become our answer. So let's run it. First of all, run it and check it whether there are any syntax error or not. Then after we will submit it, as it does not give us error during submission. Okay, that's working properly. Now let's also discuss about the complexity. So the time complexity is order of n because we traverse the string once, and the space complexity is order of 1 because the conversion is performed directly on the original string without using any extra data structure. So this solution is efficient, easy to understand, and beginner friendly. It's also great example of character manipulation using ASCII values and built-in C++ functions. And that's it for this video. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. And if you have any kind of doubt, then please comment it in the comment section. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you.